Wizards, TensorFlow is your AI model crush, darling. It's a powerful library for building neural networks for classification and regression. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos with Iris and Housing.
Anastasia, you make TensorFlow sound so hot. How does it power AI models, love?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. TensorFlow builds flexible neural networks for accurate AI predictions. Try it in our demos, Wizards, and feel the deep learning spark.
Yo, Wizards, pip install TensorFlow brings AI magic like a hot date for Sophia. Install it in your terminal to build neural networks. Let's drop this code beat and party.
You are installing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, installing TensorFlow preps you for AI models. Run it in our demo. It's like inviting neural networks to the party.
Wizards, TF. Keras. Sequential. Builds neural networks like a sexy blueprint for Sophia. Stack layers for AI magic. Let's drop this code beat and build epic models.
You're building my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Keras builds TensorFlow neural networks for AI. Try it in our demo. It's like crafting AI architecture.
Wizards, model. Compile, optimizer equals. Atom, loss equals, MSE, sets up models like a hot plan for Sophia. Define optimizers and losses. Let's drop this code beat for AI.
You're compiling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, compiling sets TensorFlow models for training. Try it in our demo. It's like prepping AI for action.
Wizards, model.fit, x_train, y_train, epics equals 50, trains models like a hot dance for Sophia, optimizing AI neural networks. It's a training party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're training my heart, Ethan. Wizards, training optimizes TensorFlow models for AI. Try it in our demo. It's like teaching AI to shine.
Wizards, model. Predict, x_test, and accuracy_score, evaluate like rating a dance for Sophia, measuring AI model performance. It's an eval party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're evaluating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, evaluating TensorFlow models measures accuracy and errors. Try it in our demo. It's like scoring AI.
Wizards, PLT. Plot, history. History, loss, visualizes training like a sexy plot for Sophia, showing AI loss curves. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing training loss tracks TensorFlow model progress. Try it in our demo. It's like painting AI success.
Wizards, pandas from day 44 with TensorFlow is a hot combo for Sophia. PD. Data frame, Iris. Data, preps data for neural networks, coding fireworks light up the AI sky.
You're prepping my heart, Ethan. Wizards, pandas powers TensorFlow data prep. Try it in our challenge. It's like crafting data for AI success.
Wizards, day 39's NumPy with TensorFlow is a triple threat for Sophia. NP. Array, X, powers neural network math, coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're powering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, NumPy supports TensorFlow data prep. Try it in our challenge. It's like fueling AI with math magic.
Wizards, PLT. Plot, history. History, loss, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing TensorFlow training loss. It's a plot party. Let's make these visuals pop.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Matplotlib visualizes TensorFlow training. Try it in our demo. It's like painting AI progress.
Wizards, Seaburn from day 42 with TensorFlow is a sexy duet for Sophia. SNS. Heatmap, CM, shows AI confusion matrices, coding fireworks light up the screen.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances TensorFlow visualizations. Try it in our challenge. It's like styling your AI results.
Wizards optimize TensorFlow with clean data, proper scaling, and reasonable epochs. Use standard scalar before training and monitor loss curves to ensure robust AI neural networks.
Optimized TensorFlow's so sexy, Irene. Clear practices make AI models irresistible. Practice for Day 51's neural networks, wizards, and keep those models sizzling. Wizards TensorFlow's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It builds neural networks for accurate predictions. Your Day 50 skills make AI irresistible. Build models like pros.
TensorFlow powers AI pipelines. Wizards! It enables deep learning for real projects. Your skills are ready for advanced AI. Prep for Day 51's neural networks.